Let us discuss a topic on volume as a double integral. Volume as a double integral means, we can take z is a function of x comma y. It is a function that is a surface above the xy plane. This is the above xy plane. Now, we can find out the volume of the solid cylinder with S as base bounded by the given surface with generators parallel to the z-axis is equal to double integral z dy dx is equal to double integral z is nothing but function of x comma y dx dy. From this, we can find out the volume as a double integral. Why? Because whatever the volume of the solid shape, that projection we can take the xy plane from this. This is the solid projection. Then it can be take the projection in xy plane with the same figure. So in the above x-axis, in the above xy plane means this is a positive direction. This is the solid of the volume of any cube or cuboid or any shape. That projection on the xy plane, that projection on the xy plane, positive xy plane, that is in the 2 dimension. Whatever the 3 dimension of the figure, projection in the xy plane means it turns into 2 dimension. In that case, the z variable can be converted into 2 variables of the xy function. And the volume as a double integral means double integral of z dy dx is equal to, z is the function involved in the xy variable, dx dy. In this, the one integral is x limits, another integral is y limits. Okay, now let us take the problem. Using a double integration, find the volume of the tetrahedron bounded by the coordinate planes and the plane x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. Coordinate planes means x, y, plane y, z, zx in that. Okay. Here, using the double integration means the volume as a double integral equal to surface integral, that is double integral z dy dx, that is equal to double integral f of x comma y dy dz. Okay, here given plane B x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. From this, z by c equal to 1 minus x by a minus y by b. From this, z is equal to c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b. Okay, here we can take in the xy plane, whatever the projection we are taking in xy plane means in the xy plane, z is equal to 0. Here z is equal to 0 means this is, let it be equation 1, this is 2. From 1, x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Okay. The z is equal to function of x comma y is equal to z equal to c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b. Okay. When we can substitute z equal to 0, then we get the plane equation x by a plus y by b equal to 1. That is the intercept of the line equation. The region in this, the region capital R in the xy plane is a triangle. Tetrahedron turns into triangle OAB. We can take the triangle here, that is, this is the XYZ plane. Here xz, the tetrahedron can turns into xy plane. It is O, it is A, this is the B. Okay. It is a tetrahedron. Okay. Here in this, we can find out the projection of the tetrahedron. Okay, tetrahedron. Region is in xy plane, that is the bounded region, which is the surface. In the surface, we can take the lower limits. In the xy plane means x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, the lower limits. If y equal to 0, then here the lower limits are x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Upper limits of y is equal to 1 minus x by a into b. Okay, this is the upper limit. And x equal to, put y equal to 0, that is x equal to a, since y equal to 0 means from this x by a equal to 1, we get x equal to a. So x limits and y limits, lower limits are 0, 0, upper limits 1 minus x by a into b, and x limit x equal to a. Now we can take the volume of a double integral that is equal to integral x equal to 0 to a, y equal to 0 to b into 1 minus x by a, z dy dx. What is the z function? Integral x equal to 0 to a, y equal to 0 to b into 1 minus x by a. Here z is c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b into dy dx. Here integrate equal to integral x equal to 0 to a, c into 1 minus x by a, treating as a constant. 1 dy integration is y, limits from 0 to b into 1 minus x by a, minus c by b, y integration is y square by 2, limits from 0 to b into 1 minus x by a, whole dx. It is equal to integral x equal to 0 to a, c into 1 minus x by a. Upper limit is b into 1 minus x by a. Lower limit is 0 means 0, minus c by 2b into y square means b square into 1 minus x by a whole square, minus 0 square means that is the lower limit. Then it is equal to integral x equal to 0 to a, it is bc into 1 minus x by a whole square, minus 1b cancel, bc by 2 into 1 minus x by a whole square into dx. Here taking the LCM, integral x equal to 0 to a, 2bc taking common, 2bc into 1 minus x by a whole square minus bc into 1 minus x by a whole square whole by 2 into dx. Minus 2bc, 1 minus x by a whole square minus bc into 1 minus x by a whole square. 2 minus 1, 1. It is equal to bc by 2 integral x equal to 0 to a into 1 minus x by a whole square dx. Now expand the a minus b whole square formula. It is equal to integral x equal to 0 to a, bc by 2 right outside. It is a square plus b square minus 2ab into dx. It is bc by 2. One integration is x. X square integration is x cube by 3 a square minus 2 by a x integration x square by 2 limits from 0 to a. Here 2 cancel. It is equal to bc by 2 a minus a cube, sorry, a plus a cube by 3a square minus a square by a. 0 means all values are 0. Here a cancel, a square cancel. It is equal to bc by 2 into a plus a by 3 minus a plus a cancel. It is equal to abc by 3 to the 6. This is the volume. Okay. So volume of the given region equal to abc by 6. Second problem, find the double integral, find not double integral, find by the double integral the volume common to the cylinders x square plus y square equal to a square and x square plus z square equal to a square. Let we can take the circle. This is the circle equation. That is the x square plus y square equal to a square is the circle equation. This radius here we are taking the a is the radius. This is the minus a comma 0 to a comma 0. And here we can take the cylinder. Okay, in the xy plane means this circle means what is the above of the xy plane, the same is the below of the xy plane. So the region, the total cylinder volume means 2 into the volume of given region, volume of the given cylinders or given common cylinders is equal to 2 in surface integral z dy dx. Why? Because we can take the above the xy plane here, the same part above and below symmetric way. In that case, we can take 2 double integral z dy dz. Here, next to take the given cylinders or given curves. One is x square plus y square equal to a square. From this, we can take the x and y limits, both are lower limits are 0. And y can expressed in the upper limits. Y square is equal to a square minus x square, y equal to plus or minus under root of a square minus x square. Why? Because it is minus under root of a square minus x square. The above part is under root of a square minus x square plus positive. Okay. And here, when we can take, put y equal to 0 in equation 1, we get x square equal to a square. From this, x equal to plus or minus a. Okay. Here, generally above the xy plane means we can take x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Here, we can take the total. And one more thing, common of the x square plus z square equal to a square means from another curve, x square plus y, x square plus z square equal to a square. This is the second equation. From this, z square equal to a square minus x square. From this, z is equal to plus or minus under root of a square minus x square. Okay. Why we are taking here 2 into 2 double integral z dy dz means here we can take the plus or minus of this, means we can write it as volume of the common region, the above and below both are there. In that case, we can take 2 double integral z dy dx. So we can take the value of plus or minus case, above value and below value. We can take the only one part, means that is 2 double integral z dy dx, but the limits of x and y are different. Here 2 we can take the function of z only. Okay. 2 for the function of z. Why? Because z is in the the same volume of above and below. It is in symmetric form. So it can be written as 2 integral x equal to minus a2 plus a integral y equal to minus under root of a square minus x square 2 plus under root of a square minus x square z. Z is nothing but here z, in the place of z we can take under root of a square minus x square into dy dx. Why? Because we can substitute the here z is equal to function of x comma y is equal to under root of a square minus x square. Eliminating of plus or minus, we wrote 2 into. Okay. Now we can integrate with respect to y, means 2 integral x equal to minus a to a. 1 dy means y limits from minus under root of a square minus x square to plus under root of a square minus x square into under root of a square minus x square dx. Now we can take the upper limit minus lower limit. It is equal to 2 integral x equal to minus a to a. Upper limit a square minus x square minus lower limit is minus into minus plus under root of a square minus x square into root a square minus x square dx. It is equal to 2 integral x equal to minus a to a 2 under root of a square minus x square under root of a square minus x square dx. Root x into root x, it is a x. This 2 outside, already 2, another is there. 2 into 2, 4. Integral x equal to minus a to a. This is a square minus x square into dx. Now we can integrate 4 into a square. 1 dx is x, limits from minus a to a, minus x square integration is x cubed by 3, limits from minus a to a. Now applying the limits, it is equal to 4 into a square into a minus of minus plus a minus 1 by 3 into a cube minus of minus a whole cube is plus minus into minus plus. Why? Because minus a whole cube equal to minus a cube. We know that. Okay. It is equal to 4 into a plus a, 2a, 2a into a square is 2a cube minus 1 by 3, 2a cube. Taking the LCM, 4 into 3 is the LCM, 3 2 is a 6a cube minus 2a cube equal to 4 into 4a cube by 3. 4 4s are 16a cube by 3 is the answer. Okay. So the volume of the region common to the 2 cylinders is equal to 16a cube by 3 is the answer.